For the next question, we're going to choose the single line text question. Use this question if you want your students to answer with just one single word or a short sentence. Let's click on it and let's configure the question. My question is, what is the name of the animal center? And I'm going to give the correct answer. So BookWidgets knows if the student adds this exact answer, it will be correct. My correct answer is the Wildlife and Rescue Ambulance Service. Of course, some students think in a different way. They still know the answer, but they will write it down in a different way. In this case, you want to also grade it correctly by using the two hashtags and adding the other answer you think your students might be answering. So in this case, BookWidgets will be grading both answers correctly. Now, when you go down, you can also choose it should be graded case sensitive or case insensitive. This will mean that when your students answer your questions with capital letters, it will be still graded correctly if they are answering the words without a capital letter, because it's case insensitive. If you choose it to be case sensitive, students will have to write down every single word with a capital letter as you described in your correct answer right here. Let's just keep it case insensitive. It's not a spelling test here, so this is good. When you go down, you have other options as well. So you have the rationale, the hint, audio, image, and of course, important here are the scoring options. So this question will be on 2 points. Then I go to the preview and take a look how this looks like for my students. So what is the name of the animal center? Let's see. Okay, so I can click on show answers as a teacher to take a look how it's automatically graded. Show answers, yes. And in this case, it is graded correctly because I added the two possible answers like here. And of course, I added it to be case insensitive. So whether your students use a capital letter or just a normal letter, it will be graded correctly.